What's up, YouTube? Finally got the 350 swap done on it. I'm gonna let y'all hear it. It's gonna be a cold start. It hasn't ran in a couple of days. Get a couple of pets. She jumps off. And there she is. Motor swap is complete. Only thing I got left to do is take it to the exhaust shop. Got a slight exhaust leak. I gotta get some new studs on my flame down there. Got a brand new radiator in it. Edelbrock 750 CFM. Oh yeah, she turns up. Turns all the way up. 350 running strong. New in there, new transmission. She clean, coming along pretty good. Just a project in the making. Just got to do some suspension work next. Dual exhaust, got some 6.5-inch glass packs, 2.5-inch pipe all the way back straight. True duals. Gives y'all an overview of the body. It's real bright out today. Yeah, got a new alternator, new fuel pump, new radiator, new fuel filter. Next to do is a tune-up on it. It's got a new thermostat in it. Had to change out the heater core. Yeah, I got all the original harness laying up around here. I'm gonna get those connected back up eventually. But as of right now, man, she does what I need her to do. Runs good, no leaks from her. She's strong. Went and got my brackets for my AC. Just gotta go get my compressor and get it hooked up. Summertime out here, man. It's already like 90-some degrees. And it ain't even summertime yet. Feel like it though. Inside, y'all can see oil pressure sitting up pretty good. Close to 60, probably like 50, 57, 58. Temperature gauge just hasn't warmed up yet. All the gauges work, clock works. Odometer showing 45, but given the condition of the truck, I'd probably say it's 145, but that's all changed out. New motor, new transmission, doesn't matter. Just need to get my carpet, good clean seat, got power locks, power windows, and yes, they do work. Overview here. Interior is okay, it ain't too bad. Got one slight tear in the seat there. Got me 2 6x9s in each corner. Got me a sub box with 2 10s. Just gotta get me some slim mounts, subwoofers. Gotta put my rear view mirror up. And as y'all can tell with the suspension, what I was saying, one of my leaf springs done went bad on me on the passenger side. I don't know if y'all will be able to see it, but from the front, you can tell like this side over here is kind of down like an inch, maybe 1.5 inches, and it's sitting higher on this side. And the cause of that is the leaf spring in the back. It's done went flat. So sooner or later, I'm gonna go get that taken care of. Maybe this weekend. They doing a half-off sale at the pick and pull yard for Memorial Day weekend. So I may go down there and find me a 1 ton or 3/4 ton and get me some heavy duty leaf springs. Sounds pretty good. exhaust clip, no smoke. She finally done, man. It's a work in progress. Anybody who's thinking about doing it, go for it. I'm out. I'll show y'all the next step when I get to it. Last overview, 84C10, Big 10 signing out.